finesse. I had to progress. Living my life, I don't got no regret. All of this shit I'll never forget. I taught myself how to run up a check. I taught myself how to run up a check. I taught myself how to run up a check. I taught myself how to run up a check. I taught myself how to run up a check.
It's your boy Marty, man. Running Up Marty to be exact. And today I have a Polo Ralph Lauren shipment from Lord & Taylor today that I'm going to review. It's not much, but hey, let's go ahead and get into it. Got a white Polo sports hat. And I got I think this is Faded Mint Polo 1992 hat. I have some red shorts with the blue small horse on it. And I have a pair of classic green Polo 1992 shorts. Okay, now this is how everything looks unpackaged. Alright, let's get into the green first. And these are two different color greens. The shorts are Bayside green and the hat is Faded Mint. Let's get into the polo hat. Polo 1992. Polo Ralph Lauren across the back with another horse on the side. Here's the tag. The market price was $60, $59.50. But on Lord & Taylor, when I ordered everything, they had a deal. The more things you buy, the more you get off, and it was up to 40% off. I think I got enough for the whole 40% off. For everything I got a whole 40% off. So instead of $59.50, I paid, where's my Faded Mint sport cap. I paid $35 for it. Alright, now, and these shorts, they are cotton blend fleece shorts. Shorts are cotton blend fleece shorts. You know, nothing too special about them. Got the Polo 1992 on them. Yeah, that's it. Got a back pocket, side pockets, of course. See that? Now let's get into the pure white flag cotton chino baseball cap. Polo Sports, and I believe that's navy. I don't think it's black, it's navy. And you have the Polo Ralph Lauren in red. You have the flag. Under the brim, it is green under the brim. Ralph Lauren on the back in navy blue, and navy blue on the strap. Polo Ralph Lauren tag. This market price was $49.50. But with the 40% off, I paid $29.70. Oh, and the shorts were, Bayside green shorts were $89.50. Yeah. And I paid Bayside green fleece shorts. Paid $53.70 for those. These shorts here. Alright, let's get into these. Get into the red double knit active shorts. These are in Ralph Lauren 2000 red. Nothing too much about these. Then they're red and they have the horse on them. Tag. Here's the tag. And these market price was $89.50. With the 40% off, you can see red tech shorts. I paid $40.27. Yep, that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next time, run it up and live life. See you guys later.
Had to finesse, I had to progress. Living my life, I don't got no regrets. All of this shit I never forget.